Afternoon, everybody. We're going to head across the river, change the cards from the trail camera, and I am taking the parabolic with me. We're going to listen for a little while we're over there. I was hoping I might get Patty to go with me, but she just got home, so in such short notice I'd have to run to Carl's and get his waders, and I don't have time to do that before it gets dark. So we're going to head on over. Then we're going to come back and clean up that crap right there that's making all kinds of noise. So here's hoping we hear something. We'll see you on the other side. Alright, we made it to the other side. Sure is nice and quiet today. I was just told that Patty plans on having a fire tonight, since this is her last night before heading back to Florida. So we're going to go get the trail cameras and move them to a different place. Well, I made it up the hill by the rock pile. Trying to remember everything. I forgot to bring the tripod and put this camera on it. Just listening to see if we hear anything. If you hear a female voice, that's Patty across the river and her son talking. Definitely a good night for listening tonight, if it stays like this. That little chirpy bird's about 50 feet away from me. Patty and her son that you can hear slightly talking are about 100 feet away from me at least. I have not heard anything with my own ears yet. Nothing screws up a recording like human beings. I'm sure anybody doing this kind of stuff knows that. I gotta record this in case she falls in. They don't know I'm up here. They haven't seen me yet. Well, I guess she's not going to fall in. I don't see any footprints of any sort except for deer. A little bit of squirrel action over there where they were digging something up. Nothing else though. let's get this here camera. Move it closer to home. This is a pain walking over here. It's a little tough carrying all this stuff. I think I might put one of the cameras down there. Avoid putting them near this rock pile. I think that's our best bet. Those are my dogs. The high-pitched yappy one's not, though. We relocated that trail camera that was way down there, back over here, away from the rock pile, which is right there. The other one was on that tree, and I put it on that tree. I had a bag of apples, so I split them between the two. We all know we're not going to get a big hit on a trail camera, but we might get a nice buck or something cool. You never know. But now I'm going to sit here for a few minutes and listen. You know, that river behind me is quite loud. Let me turn this towards the water. That's the rapids that you hear most of the time. It is quiet. That looks like a fairly new break. Trying to work this camera one-handed. Sorry for the shaky video. So what do you guys think? You think all this mess is natural? It's just a cluster. It hasn't changed from what I can see. I suppose it's totally possible that this is all natural. But even all way back in there is just a mess. Sorry for the shaky video. I'm trying to work this with one hand. Okay. Hold still. Talk about pareidolia. Jeez. Happy New Year's too to everybody watching. Hopefully you'll be watching this before midnight tonight, New Year's Eve. Let me know what you guys think, if you think this is all natural or what. Talk to you soon. I'm going to listen for another minute or two. Should have brought a knocking stick with me. Knock maybe? Heard something. I don't think that was a knock, it came from behind me. What was that? Thought I saw something move up there. Okay guys, I'm out. Wintertime view from the center of the river. And the noisy rapids.